Hello YouTube, here are 3 ways you can conveniently screenshot on a Windows platform. The first type of screenshot is a very targeted type of screenshot. You can use this to screenshot on a certain locations that we want on our Windows. So to do that, we go to Windows, go to Run, we type in the snipping tool. Once we have the snipping tool, we click on New. By using this, we can actually select what we want to screenshot on our screen. So say we select this, and this part of the screen will be pasted into our clipping board. We can then save the screenshot on the clipping board into a file by using Windows Paint. To do that, we go to search, we type in MS-PAINT. So we click Ctrl V, and this will paste our screenshot into the paint. We can refine the area that we want, and we can save this into a JPEG file. Alternatively, we can also send this clipboard data into chat programs, emails. Okay, to do this, we open up our Facebook chat, we go to a chat. So using the same Ctrl V, we can paste the data on the keyboard into the chat mechanism. So this is also applicable to applications such as email and WhatsApp web. So this saves us a lot of time when we are doing screenshot. For this second method, we will be only screenshotting on the windows that we are selected on. So for example, we have 2 windows here. We want to screenshot on the selection on this window. To do that, we need to hold the alternate button and we need to press the print screen button. After we have done that, we can save the screenshot into our Microsoft Paint. As you can see, only the window selections are being saved here. For the last part, we will be screenshotting whatever that we see that is on the screen. To do that, we can simply hit the print screen button. We'll then go back to our Microsoft Paint, press Ctrl V. As you can see here, whatever that is on the screen is being saved into Microsoft Paint. I hope the video has been helpful for you. Thank you and have a nice day.